What's up, guys? It's Connor back at it again for another small cap recap. Today is Friday the 19th, and I traded NGTECH. This is a lower float, almost 4 million float, and with a almost 60 million volume. So it's got a lot of volume. It's the second leading volume percent gainer under LGVN, which was what I traded yesterday. Which, as you can see, is had a little spike out of the gate, and it's just been failing. Pretty hard rejection on VWAP, so that kind of steered me away from this. But this is the play I actually traded yesterday, and I lost out on a lot of gains, but that's okay. I locked in profit, so I traded it off of this. I was watching this area for a possible pullback because it looked weak out of the open, so I was gonna hopefully get a red to green move, which I bought when I saw that it was holding this this first area pretty well. I bought some in here, and I believe I actually sold it into here for about $130 gain, and then it ended up breaking out even more into today. So missed out on a lot of money, but it's okay. Never gonna get the majority of the move or the whole move. And then today, I was watching this, Fun, PPSI, Tusk, and NGTECH. NGTECH was the one I actually made a trade on. So out of the open, it broke over $10, or broke right at $10, spiked up $10, and then immediately failed. And then this halted out of the open and then failed, and then watching PPSI a little bit, and it also failed. So those were the ones I was watching right out of the open, but I could tell that NGTECH was probably the play that I was going to focus on a little more than this, because it was lower priced, and at the same time I bought NGTECH, it was about $10, or at 10 o'clock. It was when it pushed back up to VWAP and it broke through. I bought on the break, made sure it held, and it actually spiked up into a halt, and then it unhalted. I sold 60 shares. I bought 90 shares at $8.92, and I sold 60 of them at $10.30, which I was glad, because it ended up crashing right after. And then I sold the other 30 shares at the break of VWAP. Looking back, I probably could have risked it, let these 30 shares run, because it could come back, especially if I just put it off this initial level, from where the halt was, where this consolidation support was, and where this actually support ended up being. So I'm sure there's probably another move. I probably could have gotten another $50 or so off of this before I ended up selling, but overall, I'm happy with the trade. I'm glad I took profits when I did, and I'm not holding my whole position right here, because then I probably would have gotten out for a small loss right there. But instead, I locked $80 in, so I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, sold 30, sold 60, and bought 90. And overall, it's only not even 11 o'clock, so it's a good day. That finishes up my week of trading. I'm in the green, taking things slower, making sure my entries are well, and I'm not top ticking candles anymore, which I haven't done all week. Even though I had 3 losers in a row, they were all small. It was about a $30 loser, a $30 loser, and a $7 loser. So it was like $67, and between these 2 days, I've made over double that. So my account's back into the growth period, at least for this week, and I hope to come back next week with my rules and everything's still sharp. So can't wait for Monday. I'm looking forward to the weekdays now. Like the weekends, I almost like crave the market, so it's good. Everything's going well. So I will see you guys in the next one, and peace out.